City of Albuquerque, we're really developing a strategy and executing upon that for smart city initiatives around being able to obtain intelligence from our infrastructure being traffic, being parking, being the street lights that provide illumination for our city. But all of these infrastructure type projects, we're putting sensors in place so that we can understand sensors in the air and in the ground for air quality and for soil moisture, for example. And we're really merging that cyber into what was previously been just a physical world, so that we can gain the intelligence of what's happening in our environment, so that our city services can be more responsive and be more effective in terms of making sure that we're allocating resources where they need to be. An example of that is we're creating a public safety corridor down our Central Avenue streets, where we have a bus rapid transit, and we want to make that safe for our bus riders and the transit ridership. So we're putting in very highly illuminated areas around the bus stops. We're putting in video cameras for video analytics that we can provide for public safety that gets sent back to our real-time crime center. We've got sensors that are going to be able to detect certain conditions in our city streets and traffic, so that we can make sure that traffic is flowing smoothly with signalization and the bus rapid transit route. So all of this is going to be built into making a safety corridor, and that is a targeted area that we want to do that technology and smart cities capabilities are going to be able to provide us. And it's all about the data. So the data that we get from these sensors and from the machine type capabilities that we're putting in place can be then used to make sure that we're making data decisions based off of what's reality. And another big project that we're doing is the streetlight project, 20,000 streetlights being replaced with LED and a smart management system, reducing CO2 emissions, increasing the illumination, and then providing a Cisco Kinetic platform with these 20,000 nodes on our city with the streetlights, being able to provide all the sensors we need for perhaps gunshot detection, or for occupancy sensors and Wi-Fi and cameras. So all of a sudden now we're going to have a network of 20,000 potential nodes in our city that can then relay back how our city is reacting to the environment.